Hey guys, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at three new things. Some of these things here you've seen before. This frame here is from AMAXinno. It's the Freestyle 5E, and I did a video on the frame already. I'll link that in the description. The parts here for the stack are from HGLRC. I've already done a review on these parts, as well as this their special LED board and these individual ESCs. That is in a different video, so I'll also link that video down below. And I've taken those LEDs and I put them here in the back. I'll show you a little clip of what that looks like. I guess if you're flying from behind it, it looks pretty cool. But primarily on this video we're going to be taking a look at this build in terms of the frame and then these new motors here. These are the AMAXinno 2207.5 and these are 2450 kV, I believe. Again, links down in the description. This has a CADX camera or tail camera. I've already done a review on that as well. I'll link that down below. And then another new part here is this Panda. I think it's called the I forget the name of the receiver. It's a video transmitter, 20 by 20. It's a new one. It's called I think it's called the MINIX video transmitter. I think it goes up to 400 milliwatts. And we're going to take a look at the FPV feed from that. So I swapped out the antenna for this Fox here, Lollipop 2. It's just connected via these zip ties here, and it's a micro FL connector in there. I have a zip tie to this back carbon plate here. It's a vertical plate, and on the other side is the capacitor for the PDB. And that's pretty much it. Flying it around on 4S 1500 GNB, and I've got my nice foam Gitto GoPro mount here for my Session 5. It's pretty cool. It's a pretty nice build. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about the build, let me know in the comments below. I could probably answer them, but it's a pretty standard build here. I just cut the wires here, obviously, for the 400 ESC, which I stole this whole stack and the whole power system from the other drone. And put them onto this frame with these motors for this build. So not a whole lot of interesting things for this build. It's a pretty standard 5-inch build. Just we're gonna take a look at the FPV feed of the Panda video transmitter and check out the performance of these motors. Pretty good. And I think that's about it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you the footage. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you later.